Let them both go up to the step.
Stefan, come on, dude. You're gonna fall.
Grab his tail.
Yeah. Come on. This way.
Logan, go knock on the door.
Let's go.
Logan.
Logan, you coming to give me candy? Good knocking.
Good job.
Logan. Did Stefan knock?
He did. He went up to the door. Grab him.
Come here, buddy.
You're going the wrong way. Oh,
Come here, Dinosaur.
you're gonna be like, costume.
Okay, I guess not.
Maybe not.
Oh. Ah!
Logan.
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa, what's that, man?
Say thank you. You can't go in there.
What's that, Logan?
Whoa!
Logan. Hey,
It's okay.
come on. Whoa.
Candy.
Roar.
Candy.
Logan, come on, buddy.
It's Stefan. It's all excited.
Logan. Come on, man. No? Like, really? You just...